you think your filters are dirty, it's time to remove them and clean them. To remove your filters, in this case cartridges, from the filter tank, you must first turn your pump off. Make sure that your pump is not on any type of a timer where the pump can come on while your filter is wide open. Make sure either power is off to the pump or your pump is turned off and will not come on when you work on your filters. To remove all this dirty water from your filter tank, vacuum it out with the shop vac, or you can open a drain plug at the bottom of this filter tank and drain it all out. Before you put your clean filters back in the tank, remember to clean your tank, either with garden hose or you can rinse it out with bucket. Inspect and clean your rubber O-ring. Make sure there's no dirt on top of your O-ring or below it. Inspect your standpipe O-ring and lubricate it. And lubricate your filter tank O-ring too. Go ahead and insert your clean filters. Inspect and clean this top manifold. If broken, cracked, or damaged, replace it. Clean the edges of the top portion of your filter tank and lubricate it. Remember to position pressure gauge and air bleeder in a direction in which you can blow the water from the filter later on. Clean the filter clamp from the inside. Remember to open your air bleeder to help your pump prime quicker and to remove all the air from the system.